Hi everyone! For today's video we are installing a smart switch. This smart switch is suitable for incandescent lamp, energy saving lamp, LED lamp, tungsten lamp, electronic ballast fluorescent lamp, and many others. The smart switch can be used remotely controlled using an Android phone to turn on and off the lights. It can automatically turn on and off the lights at a given time through the timer functions. Here are the following diagram of gang 1, gang 2, gang 3, and gang 4. Gang describes the number of switches on the plate. They are sometimes called rockers, throws, or dimmers, depending on how they operate, but still, they just refer to the number of light switches on the plate. This is the installation of two-gang switch, which control two circuits to turn on and off the lights. The green color is the live wire, and the other color, line 1 and line 2, are returned from the lights. When we are installing a smart switch, we use small slotted screwdriver to open the face shell. Fix the bottom shell to the wall box with screws. Put the shell to the bottom shell again. When we power the switch, LED indicator will turn red. LED indicator will flash when configure network. Turn on the switch, LED indicator will turn white, while off, it will change to red.